In this video, I will show you how to remove subject background using Adobe Photoshop. Open.
Select Lasso tool.
Make a selection along the edges of the subject you wanted to cut out.
Select and mask. Use the Refine Edge tool. Start refining the edges of the Lion King Kong. In this settings, you have to adjust it accordingly to your needs or to your subject. Play it until you got what you fucking need. Select solid color you want. Select mask. Select brush. Change the foreground color into black. Make it sure you are selected in the mask icon. Before using the brush, if you already selected the mask icon, then start brushing to erase some of the unnecessary in the image too. Make it more clean like Mr. Clean. Now you see the result. If you think this tips help you in your daily life, please subscribe and follow me on Facebook before I'll delete you in this world. Thank you so much and enjoy your life while you are still alive. Subscribe and follow Jam Captures for more tips and tricks.